Good morning, students. This chapter, physical quantity and measurement. Today we will discuss about the first of all international system of unit, then standard prefix for obtaining multiple and submultiple of SI systems, and then in the last there are some questions which are based on the international system of unit and prefix and suffix. So first of all, what is the international system of unit? Normally there are 7 fundamental system, and 7 fundamental units are there, that is length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. In 1960, the 12th General Conference on Weigh and Measurement adopted an international system of unit, that is SI system of unit. The unit in this international system of unit are called SI unit. The unit in this international system of unit are called SI system. The SI units has now been accepted in most countries, and the 7 fundamental units. These are the 7 fundamental units. Number 1, length, and SI unit of length is meter. These fundamental units are very important. Second, mass. In SI system, we measure the mass in kg, that is kilogram. Then third fundamental unit, that is time, and unit SI unit of time, that is second. Next, physical quantity, that is electric current, and we measure the electric current in SI system, and unit in SI system, that is ampere. Next, physical quantity, that is temperature. This is the symbol of temperature, T, capital T, and SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, represented by K. Amount of substance, we measure the amount of substance, and unit of SI unit of amount of substance is mole, MOL, and name is MOLE. This is the symbol MOL, and this is the name of SI unit. Seventh fundamental unit, that is luminous intensity. Unit SI unit of luminous intensity, that is candela, and symbol of candela is CD. First is length, and SI unit of length is meter, very important. Mass, SI unit of mass is kilogram. Time, SI unit of time is second. Electric current, SI unit of electric current is ampere. Temperature, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Amount of substance, SI unit of amount of substance, mole. Luminous intensity, SI unit of luminous intensity, that is candela. These are the 7 base SI unit, and it's very important you have to learn these fundamental units, because these units are used in your next in higher classes or in 7th and 9th, 10th also. And these are the basic unit. These units are also known as fundamental unit. These units are also known as fundamental unit. There are 2 types of units. One is fundamental unit and second is derived units. These 7 units are known as fundamental unit, and with the help of these unit we make another unit, and that unit is known as derived unit. For example, area is a derived unit, and length is a fundamental unit, and we derive the unit of area with the help of fundamental unit. Area is equal to unit of area is L square, that is square of length. Therefore unit is meter square, because SI unit of length is meter. Therefore unit of area is meter square. Area is a derived unit and length is a fundamental unit. The derived units are those units which are derived from fundamental unit. Another example of fundamental unit, that is volume. Volume is equal to L cube, that is length into breadth into height, or we can also say that length into breadth into height. We measure the length. Length is the fundamental unit, breadth is the fundamental unit, and fundamental unit of length is meter, fundamental unit of breadth is meter, fundamental unit of height is meter, that is meter cube. So meter is the fundamental unit and meter cube is the unit of volume, that is the derived unit. The derived units are those units which are derived from the fundamental unit. Normally there are two types of unit, fundamental unit and derived unit, but in your syllabus there is only fundamental unit, that is the length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Your next is, that is prefix. There are two types of prefix, that is multiple and second is submultiple. For large measurement we use the multiple, and for very small measurement we use the submultiple. First multiple, that is giga, and symbol of giga is G. This is the prefix. Mega, symbol of mega is M. Kilo, symbol of kilo is K, and this is the value of giga. 1 giga is equal to 10 ki 9, 1 mega is equal to 10 ki 6, 1 k is equal to kilo is equal to 10 ki 3. We start with this example, kilo, that is, for example, 1 kilogram. Convert this into gram. Then what is the value of k? This is your prefix. What is the value of k? Value of k is 10 ki 3 or 1000. Value of k is 10 ki 3 or 1000. It means 1 as it. Value of k is 1000. Gram as it. Therefore 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. We use the value of k. Another example, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, 1 as it. Value of k is 1000 or 10 ki 3. 10 ki 3 or 1000 into meter, it means 1000 meter. Therefore 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here we use the prefix k in place of 1000. Another, that is, you normally use in your computer or in mobile phone, memory, that is 1 GB. What is the meaning of 1 GB? 1 G means giga, and value of giga is 10 ki 9. 1 into 10 ki 9 byte, that is 10 ki 9 byte. Similarly, 1 MB. 1 MB means megabyte. So 1 into mega means 10 ki 6 byte, that is 10 ki 6 byte. Next is hecto, and value of hecto is 10 ki 2. So 1 hectometer, that is, convert this into meter. Hecto means 10 ki 2 or 100, that is 100 meter. It means 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. Then deca, 1 decameter. 1 decameter, so 1 decameter means 10 into 10, that is 10 meter. These are the prefix for large measurement. And for very small measurement we use the prefix deci, centi, milli, micro, nano. These are the some multiples, and we used when we for the small, very small measurement. For example, 1 centimeter. Convert this into meter. What is the value of c? value of c is 10 की minus 2 or 1 by 100. 1 by 100 meter. It means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Clear? Or 1 centimeter is equal to 1 into value of c is 10 की minus 2. 10 की minus 2 meter. That is 10 की minus 2 meter. 1 centimeter. Millimeter. 1 millimeter. Convert this into meter. Simply put the value of m. Value of m is 10 की minus 3. 10 की minus 3 meter. So that is 10 की minus 3 meter. 1 millimeter. Then micro. What is the value of micro? 10 की minus 6. 1 micro is equal to 10 की minus 6. For example, 1 micrometer. 1 micrometer means 1 into 10 की minus 6 meter. That is 10 की minus 6 meter. That is 1 micrometer. Nanometer. Value of nano is 10 की minus 9. Micro means 10 की minus 6. Milli means 10 की minus 3. Centi means 10 की minus 2. Deci means 10 की minus 1. So these are the sub multiples. And we use the sub multiples for small measurement. And beating these terms, giga, that is 10 की 9. Mega, 10 की 6. Kilo, 10 की 3. Hecto, 10 की power 2. Deca, 10 की 1. Deci, 10 की minus 1. Centi, 10 की minus 2. Milli, 10 की minus 3. Micro, 10 की minus 6. Nano, 10 की minus 9. There is a question for you. First question is, SI unit of temperature is Fahrenheit. No, because SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Because there are 7 fundamental, and 7 fundamental unit of temperature is Kelvin. Therefore, given statement is false. Every measurement involves two things: number and unit. It's true, because any physical quantity suppose mass. We represent mass 3 kg. There are number, and second is unit. This is a true statement. Mass is the measure of quantity of matter. Is true, because mass is a quantity of matter, and weight is a force. So this is a true statement. SI unit of time is R. It's a false statement, because SI unit of time is second. The fundamental unit. The area can be expressed as product of length of two sides. Is true, because area is equal to product of length, that is L square, and this is the derived fundamental quantity, because derived from the fundamentals, because length is the fundamental. Next, select the correct alternative. Number 1, the symbol of degree Celsius. Symbol of degree Celsius. This is the symbol of degree Celsius. First, 10 millimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now 10 millimeter. What is the value of milli? Value of milli is 10 की minus 3 meter. That is 10 upon 10 की 3 means 1000 meter. 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 10 की minus 2 meter. And what is the value of 10 की minus 2? 10 की minus 2 is equal to centimeter. Value of 10 की minus 2 is C. Therefore 1 centimeter. First put the value of m. Value of m is 10 की minus 3. Then there is a calculation. There is only 10 की minus 2. Add the power. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 2. And value of 10 की minus 2 is centi. That is centimeter. Amount of surface occupied by an object is called area. Space occupied by object is volume. And surface occupied by object is area.